What's up, y'all, and welcome to my YouTube. And today I'll be installing this wig that I got from AliExpress. It is 36 inches and it's also 210 density. So yeah, it's really soft. It hasn't been shedding as much, it's just a little bit of shedding, but not really that much. But yeah, I think it's really good quality. It's really thick, so it's really good volume, and this is how long it is. Yeah, that's how long it is. So yeah, if y'all want to see me install this wig, keep watching.
Bitch ain't met a nigga that can handle this. I was up $250,000 before the deal, no counter.
Now a Shein ambassador, so the link in the description, you can get $2 off your order if you buy something with my link. So make sure that you go and support, and you go use the link in the description so you can get a discount off your next order. This outfit is from Shein, the skirt is also, and the headband, so you know what it is. But yeah, make sure y'all support and go press the link in the description so you can get a discount off your next orders. ambassador for West Kiss Hair. So it will be a link in the description where you can get some money off whenever you buy a wig or some bundles or a headband wig. So make sure y'all go support and use my link in my description. I just became an ambassador for a company called Jerely. They sell clothing and also wigs and bundles. So make sure y'all use the link in the description. So whenever you do buy something off the website, you'll be able to get some money off. And make sure y'all just support. I'll show y'all the screen record right here of all what they sell and their wigs they sell. So yeah, it has some nice variety of different clothing and wigs you can wear. So make sure y'all support. so this will be the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. It will be right here. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next video.
2 shots, got a bitch feeling risky.